Thank you, Steve, Greg, and Nassim for sharing such a wonderful and insightful past hour. And welcome, everyone. Hi, I'm Adam Hall, producer of this year's summit and celebration. And I, along with my partner, Ken Foster, and a whole host of amazing and gifted people at a humanities team, are honored to share with you 10 days of free panels and performances from over 100 world-renowned scientists, transformational leaders, visionaries, and award-winning musicians. Together, we can and will birth a new world. In oneness, we shall love. In oneness, we shall create peace. In oneness, we shall spread abundance. And in oneness, we shall meet the challenges of our time to make the world a better place for our children and their children. I'm thrilled that you have come, and I invite you to partake in as much of this week as possible. We are going to be offering the whole summit in one beautiful package a little later on in the program, and you may want to take advantage of that. But in the meantime, we have teachers, we have great programs in conscious business, conscious evolution, musicians, things around science, things that are going to really, I would say, best inspire you to live your best life now, to create a living consciousness of oneness in your life and in that of your family and that of your community. And without further ado, it is my pleasure to welcome some new friends. Please enjoy this timeless moment with our beloved Deva Premal and Miten. Sending you blessings and love. Please enjoy the summit and come celebrate with us. Be well. Namaste.
Namaste, friends.
Namaste, friends.
Thank you, Adam, for hosting us here for the Global Oneness Summit. We are coming to you from Costa Rica. Let's just close our eyes. This is a good moment to take a deep breath and breathe out. And a deep breath.
Join together with the mantra Om.
Svaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Bhurbhuvah Svaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Prachodaya. Om Bhurbhuvah Svaha Tat Savitur Varenyam
viturvareniam, Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvareniam, Bargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Rain of blessing pouring down, kiss the earth and this holy ground. Holy water, heaven sent, rain of blessings, our sacrament. Rain of blessings, sing your wild song, mighty God of thunder, beat your heavenly drum. Beat the drum of mercy, beat the drum of forgiveness, beat the drum of freedom, we're bearing witness.
Ramadasa Sase Soham, Ramadasa Sase Soham,
Ramadasa Sase Soham, Ramadasa Sase Soham, Ramadasa Sase Soham, Ramadasa Sase Soham. Rain of blessings, holy water, bless the mother, protect the daughter. Bless all creatures, great and small. Rain of blessings, God help us all. God help us all.
Bargo Devasya Dhimahi
Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvareniam, Bargo Devasya join Deva with the mantra Om. If you're singing in your homes right now, the mantra Om creates a temple for your home. So join here with the mantra Om, with a deep breath with Deva, and share your voice with spirits. Just take a moment to close your eyes if you have your eyes open. Okay.
Yeah, the Om is really for me, the key to tune into that feeling of global oneness. It's what connects us all, that sound that we carry within and that we can tune into and that we can all make. It's such an easy sound to vocalize, and it's a real home. It's like Om. There's an Om in every home, and there's a home in every Om. So yes, that's the global oneness right there.
Jai Ram, Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Ram. It's a beautiful mantra composed by Jai Utal. Thank you, Jai. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram,
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Om Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram. Whenever I sing Ram, I have to remember my childhood, because I grew up with a father who really wanted to bring sacredness to daily life. And so what he had me and my sister do was say Ram each time we turn on the light. That was in the 70s in Germany. It was just not really, not something everybody was doing at that time.
Freaky.
At least not my friends. So
Weird.
no. Anyway, Ram. And Om when I put something on a table, like, or down when you put something down, to say Om.
Yeah. I told you, strange, weird. Deva is no ordinary being, and she introduced me to the Gayatri Mantra many years ago now, and she introduced me to many other things too, but especially around the sacredness of the mantras and the power that they carry. What song would you like me to sing? Bring me along. Close to the water, that's where I am. The river is my teacher. Close to the water, well, that's my plan. The river is my teacher. Clean or dirty, that's the way she goes. She says it's not about the water, it's all about the flow. I know, 'cause I am the river man. I am the river man. Close to the water, I'm on holy ground. The river is my teacher. Well, I love to hear her singing, and I love that sound. The river is my teacher. She's always taking the path of least resistance. I know. Oh, she says it's not about the distance, no, it's all about the flow. About the flow. I am the river man. I am the river man. Could have been a carpenter carving Buddhas out of trees. Well, I could have been a fisherman sailing out on the sea. Oh, but I became a riverman, and in ones and twos and threes I carry you over to the other side. 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 You can take my hand, I see land. I am the river man. Close to the water, that's where I'll end my days. River is my teacher. You know the words of wisdom comes in most melodious ways down there. The river is my teacher, and she'll be rolling long after we're gone. She says it's all about the rhythm of life. That's where you belong. I know I am the river man. I am the river is my teacher. River is my teacher. The river is my teacher. I am the river man.
We have time for one more, I think.
How could it?
Okay.
Yeah. How could it be nice? How could enemy? This beautiful mantra invokes all our spiritual teachers as we chant. So it's an opportunity for us to honor all our teachers through this beautiful mantra. We learned actually from Sanatam. Thank you, Sanatam, for this blessing that we have when we chant this mantra. Please join with us and give thanks to all your teachers, even the ones that broke your heart.
To life. Life is the greatest teacher.
Yeah. Good anyway.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know whether you can hear the distant thunder. We're in the rainy season down here in Costa Rica. Yeah, there's a big storm coming in. It's beautiful, incredible to be down here. I was going to do Shanti Shanti.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Sukino bhavantu loka samasta Sukino bhavantu loka samasta Sukino bhavantu loka samasta Sukino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
You join us. Om Shanti Shanti. It's our prayer for universal peace. Om Shanti Shanti. We can open our arms. We chant together.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
And once again with Namaste.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.
Namaste, friends.